Oh my god, I'm finally vlogging. Hey guys, बहुत दिनों से vlog नहीं किया. I was totally busy and caught up with work and dance. I am going to vlog my entire day because I am going to buy Chaniya Choli. Navratri में मुझे dance करना है and I don't want to wear a salwar kameez. There's nothing wrong in wearing a salwar kameez, but I would want to wear a Chaniya Choli and dance Garba and Dandiya. This will be my first time ever. So how can I not dress up according to the festival? So आज मैं जा रही हूँ चनिया चोली के सर्च में. Have asked so many Gujarati friends of mine and they're like नहीं मिलेगा वैसा Calcutta में. You'll only get it from Gujarat, which I understand, but यहाँ पे they're saying that you can only rent it. But honestly, I really don't want to rent it. I'm a total hygiene freak and I really don't want to rent it out. So let's see. अरे यार इस साइड का लाइट ज़्यादा अच्छा था. Anyway, so let's check out if I can get my dream चनिया चोली. मुझे वो दीपिका पाडुकोन वाला चनिया चोली बहुत पसंद है, वो वाइट एंड ब्लैक चोली एंड रेड दुपट्टा. या सो माई ड्राइवर इज हियर. चलो शॉपिंग करने मेरे साथ.
Guess what? My hair feels dry, damaged and frizzy and I'm not worried. You know why? Because bblunt Intense Moisture range is the perfect solution. It has incredible ingredients like jojoba and vitamin E. I'll first apply the Intense Moisture shampoo on my hair. It has jojoba and vitamin E which will deeply moisturize your hair, make it smoother and frizz-free. After that, I will apply this mask on the damp hair on mid-lengths and ends and will wash it off after 5-10 minutes. See how smooth this is? Intense Moisture shampoo and mask has made my hair nourished and frizz-free. With each purchase, bblunt empowers women through Sampa Foundation. Find these products on Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa. And don't forget to use my coupon code SUSH2023 for a flat 20% off on bblunt.com. Links in the description box.
So I wanted to wear something really easy today so that I can try on the lehengas easily. So I thought this dress is perfect. Also got to know that there's an exhibition going on. So that was my first stop. It was in Jodhpur Park and it had all kinds of stuffs from saris to kurtas, shirts, healing stones, jewelries, etc. 1, 2, 3. I'm getting my charms done like it's a bracelet. The rings are also very pretty. Just check this out. Golpo. The name is Golpo and I'm taking this sari. It is a one-toned, one-colored sari and I absolutely love it. Grey and white sari. It was also very pretty. Already I have so many grey saris in my closet, so I didn't want any other. My bracelet is getting done right there. I ended up buying saris, customized bracelets and an anklet. Look how cute my bracelet turned out. This is the pre-pujo traffic in Kolkata. And finally we reached Metro Plaza. Phone korle ekhanei chole esho. Packet gulo ekhane gaড়িতেই থাকছে. So finally reached Metro Plaza and পুজোর ভিড় already शुरू हो गया है कोलकाता. It's so pretty. So इतना ढूंढने के बाद finally we have come to Metro Plaza. मैंने अपने सारे दोस्तों को फ़ोन किया and they suggested कि it's best if we come to Metro Plaza and search for the Chaniya Choli. So right now I'm going to this shop called Style Smith. I did not get Chaniya Choli in Metro Plaza. I searched, but there's ethnic shops, but they only sell like kurta, pajama and stuff. But there's no lehenga or there's no Chaniya Choli. So right now, I think I'll have to go to Imami market. So let's see if I get it there. बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लग गया है. अभी मैं भेलपुरी मैंने ऑर्डर किया है. So I'll have भेलपुरी and then there's this shop called Krishna Juice Center. I'll have a kiwi juice from there. Guys, you must try this kiwi juice. It is so yummy and refreshing. You can see it already on my face how much I'm loving it. Chaniya Choli के अलावा सारा खाना पीना हो रहा है. Now I'm gonna have this yummy faluda. Looks super yummy.
फालूदा रहेगा आपका?
हाँ. ये वाला ये ज़्यादा दीजिए ना भैया थोड़ा और. कितना?
60. फालूदा?
It's a proper food hub. I don't like their clothes as much. I love their food here. I'm coming for the food next time, not for the clothes. The Bhel puri was yum. The Kiwi juice was yum. This is yum. After having so much of food, now I'm going to Vardhan Market to check if they have Chaniya Choli or not. If not, then I'll go to West Side and see what I can find.
এর মতো মিরর ওয়ার্ক আছে নিচে লেহেঙ্গার জন্য নিচে মিরর ওয়ার্ক আমাদের যে উপরে কাজ করা ওয়ার্কগুলো আছে না
It's too simple.
অরেঞ্জ টা
Guys, I've searched almost all the shops in Vardhan Market in first floor, but I'm not getting anything. So there's nothing, literally nothing available of my choice. So I don't know what to do. Maybe I'll come again another time and check. But I'm so disheartened. Guys, we are leaving this place. So right now, checked out almost all the shops in Vardhan. Didn't like anything. So now I'm going to West Side. But আমাকে লেন্থ অনেকটাই ছোট একটা হিল পরে কি করে ডান্স করব ঠিক আছে আমি পিঙ্কটা ট্রাই করি আর কি কালার আছে ওখানে রানী কালারটা কি আছে গ্রিনটার পেছনে একবার ট্রাই করি but it's got a dupatta also I don't know I have a tie between this one and the green one this is really looking good I think I like this one better because of the blouse and the dupatta এটা না একটু আমার Navratri vibe লাগছে I finally found my lehenga. This is it. This is the one. Finally. I should have come to West Side before, yeah. I have to wear something like this. এটা নিচে because আমার gold this. What to do? Should I take this or not? Guys, my shopping is done. So I just had to spend 4.5 and I got an amazing lehenga. And not only that, I also got jewelry along with it. West Side never fails. I love West Side. Hey guys, let me. Hey guys, it's 11:35. I finally reached home and yeah, today was hectic. And it was great because I finally got my lehenga choli. Though I was not expecting this to be my lehenga choli. I thought I'll get something more authentic like a chaniya choli. But unfortunately I didn't find it anywhere in Calcutta. Like I didn't go to places like New Market or CR Avenue or Bara Bazaar because those are like crazy crowded. You can't even think of walking on the streets pre-Pujo. That's the reason why I went to Metro Plaza, didn't get anything. Vardhan Market didn't like what I saw. And finally West Side. And I loved what I bought. Now I'm really tired. I'll just go and get fresh and have dinner. And then probably watch a good movie. And then I'm gonna sleep. Love you. Bye. See you in another vlog.